Hey guys, I'm Danny Light, and this is How to Hardstyle episodes. In this episode I want to show you how to make the true hardstyle lead. Let's name it true hardstyle lead. It's kind of screamy and it can be used in rough auric and just a hardstyle and euphoric. Okay, first of all revive and then I will show how I made it. Okay, this is how it sounds. Let's start. This is the layers, 3 Serum layers. Okay, I go disable all the effects. First, I will disable all. This is the main Serum lead. Also disable the reverb and delay. This is how the main lead character sounds. At all it doesn't sound that good, but with the layers it sounds kind nice. So what I have done, I chose analog and basic. From analog and this basic sine wave, and they're same. Then I took this from modulation, or I think it's modulation, I have it named bend plus minus, and just a little bit of warp, 45%, and 1 octave up. Then I choose this LFO, drag it here and just a one point bit, and also there. Main sound giving this LFO, we will come there back later. From effects, hyper 7, detune kind 73%, and rate around 25. Distortion, I use diode 1, kind a lot of drive, and mix all the way, just a little bit high. Actually you don't even need it, because we anyway will cut out it. And this is this LFO1, 164 rate, and envelope. This is there, now we hear it like so. It basically just envelope to giving some clicking sound, and you really can change the character of the lead by editing this cutoff. Here I just drive it up, some resonance, and nothing really serious. Yes, also legato always on and around 29. And this basically this main lead, and for effect I use in just EQ, cutting out this nasty low end. Because if I enable it, it's giving this really nasty sound. Cutting out highs, because we use sub lead in the background. The sub lead will give the high power for the highs. And OTT giving some extra frequencies. Just def to the 23 and bam, I don't know how they named, downward and upward, just copy my settings. Then we go to the next lead. This is basically kind of sub, background sub layer. I use the same as in the first lead, adding there just a 1.40 vibro effect. If I add more, it will get pretty crazy. Just 1 octave up, and you can add the bright noise. Well, for same, okay, this one is 32 voices, and there is nothing really serious. Basically same settings for the hyper, EQ, and yeah, there is nothing serious. Really simple. Yeah, and just adding this bend plus minus for but one is 60 warp and first is 22. And third layer is actually from the the EQ also there. Slow cut and over 20,000 Hz we anyway doesn't need. And third layer is preset. Is from Serum Hypersaf. There I did some edits. A little bit added the unison, took the octaves down, I believe. Yeah, and nothing really, I did nothing else. And then I add to the layers my favorite plugin for the leads, and I added almost everywhere for claps, for leads, for basses. Yeah, this hip hop puncher preset and just boosting this first high frequencies and nothing else. Add EQ, boosting some mid frequencies and little bit of the highs. And for last, I use compressor. Really love this compressor, it giving this punch effect and really easy to use. And like always, send reverb and send delay. For this, where I have in the leads like short pauses, I like add more delay, and it also running from the compression. And now when we add also chords, it sounds pretty nice. And for next video I will show you how you can layer the chords. I think I will make in this the same this. And yeah, that's it guys. This is how you can make nice hardstyle lead. See you in next video, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment, like some request or whatever. I read every comment. See you.